Uh, hey guys, I have a short question. So this is not MT4, but this is a program that's very similar to MetaTrader that's used in Forex. So this program actually lets to fast forward to replay the currency pairs price action very quickly. So I can speed up the price, and so it kind of like it prints the bars the way they printed in the past, but at a much faster rate. Right, so right now I'm doing this 2017 somewhere in April or in January, the trades. It's 1 hour trade. So I was wondering if I could launch a similar thing on TOS in Thinkorswim, right? They have this feature called on demand. So I was wondering if I do fast forward of the price action of the past stock price action, will it actually help me become a better trader? So what do you guys think? What if I actually do this sort of thing in the TOS on demand? Do you think it will work? Do you think I'm going to speed up the learning process for myself?